Sort of like, this is where I'll give you a little bit of business perspective. You know, you have a huge population out there that everybody would be interested. And you can talk about the new skill opportunity. You have a receptive audience.
其實咧，我可以俾大家一個即係話做生意嘅一個建議啦，就係話咧，你唔需要一個好大嘅人口啊，其實你淨係即係講呢一啲嘢咧，已經會有即係好多人有興趣聽啊，知道佢嘅好處係咩啊咁啦。
And then just that slide shows you that nutrition and health, why I keep on coming back to that, is because it improves everything in your body.
點解我不斷咁樣重複講呢個營養健康咧？就因為佢可以改善你嘅身體嘅各層面嘅。
Yeah, Mandy showed you this slide about all these professors working with us. They are also interested on the PRISM, and because it's actually quite an interesting device to use for their scientific research.
嗱，咁啱啱大家都睇過呢個投影片㗎啦，咁你見到上面咁多位傑出嘅教授學者，其實佢哋對於 PRISM 都好有興趣，因為咧能夠幫到佢哋咧做嘅研究啊。
I mean, why would it be? Because they also are professors, they probably will ask a lot of questions, correct? Why would they be interested in a cheating machine?
點解佢哋會對於一個會作弊嘅機有興趣啊？如果真係好似頭先嗰啲批評所講。
Is our validation, right? So in China, we just conducted a study, and I think we just about barely finished it with 600 subjects.
咁喺中國咧就係話我哋有一個研究咧，應該差唔多完成㗎啦，就有600位嘅受試者嘅。
We're still looking at the data to get more information, but I'll just share some early results with you.
我哋仲係喺度咧研究緊佢哋嘅數據，希望取得更多資料，但係咧我將一啲嘅早期階段得到嘅結果咧同大家分享下。
It just confirms for us when you have a high BMI, you have a low SCAM score.
嗱，咁佢咧就確認咗我哋嘅理解啦，就係話當你嗰個 BMI 係偏高嘅時候咧，指數咧就偏低啦。
When the liver is not performing well, it drives the score down.
咁你嗰個肝功能唔好嘅時候，你嗰個指數都係會低嘅。
When your gut is not the gut, Chinese people in general, you guys always love to talk about your gut.
其實好啦，講到腸道咧。
It's another one of those things. When you start to think about it, it's very sort of instinctive, right? Because hundreds of years, it's sort of like they figure out or somehow figure out your gut is not healthy, the whole body suffers.
嗱，我哋講腸道嘅時候咧，其實咧中國人咧真係經常好耐以來咧都係不斷好強調講緊腸道嘅原因咧，就係過去嘅100年啦，都已經係睇到證明到，當你嘅腸道健康唔好嘅時候咧，你成個身體嘅狀況咧都唔好嘅。
And we know where the good scores are coming from is to eat more fruits and vegetables.
好啦，如果想有好嘅指數，咁點咧？食多啲蔬果咯。
You sort of know that.
大家都知嘅啦，呢啲。
The Asian diet is actually very vegetable based, but there's one thing that has changed, and that you are eating way more white rice. White and the Asian diet, the reason why it's changing, they eat vegetables, but they also eat a lot more white rice, processed rice.
Oh, okay.
白飯啊
Just get now。好啦，咁講緊咧就亞洲人咧一直以嚟都係好中意食蔬菜㗎啦，但係而家咧啲咩改變咗啊？就係佢哋食多咗好多咧，就係精煉嗰啲嘅白飯啊。
So there's no value. Actually, there's not a lot of value. So anyway, but you can see from this chart, all the things that you sort of instinctively know is good for you are the ones that are going to have up the score. Things that you eat too much, they're not so good, you know, it's going to lower your score.
咁所以啦，其實嗰個詳細直播就睇翻頭先嗰個表啦，就係可能有一啲嘢咧，你食好多你以為係好嘅，但係咧其實對於嗰個指數咧係會有呢一個拉低嘅效果嘅。
And I talk about your lifestyle too, you know, the umbrella.